Good morning, Melissa here from GirlGoneFishing, and I'm super excited. It's 1:45 in the morning and I'm getting ready to head down to my buddy Scott's house. No kayak on the car today because we're taking his boat to Guntersville. Yup, it's gonna be a really quick whirlwind trip. We're just driving down. We're gonna have a half day today when we get there, a full day tomorrow and a half day Tuesday, and then he and I both have to drive back for work. So I apologize right now for my lack of productivity at work on Wednesday, but you know, when you get a chance to sneak in a trip to somewhere like Guntersville, I mean, you just have to take it. So here I go, 2.5 hours to Scott's house, about 8.5 hours from Scott's house to the lake, and then big giant Guntersville bass. All right, I made it to Scott's house and he's got the boat already hooked up, so all I have to do is load my stuff in the car and the boat and we are taking off for Guntersville. Why are we in Georgia?
This is where big bass live.
Georgia?
Georgia.
First look at Guntersville. It looks windy. About 9 hours after I left my house this morning in the wee hours, Scott and I have made it to the ramp and we've launched and we're getting ready to go find some big Guntersville
Land of
bass.
giants. Giants.
How's the water clarity?
It's a little murky. I mean, not. It's not clear.
Good job.
not gonna be skunked.
Oh, I'm so happy.
I'm not gonna be skunked. Melissa claims she caught a fish. It's been a long, arduous journey.
I'm afraid to do anything because I don't want to lose my one fish. Oh, it's a nice fish too.
Well, he's not in the boat yet, so we can't really count him
I'm
yet.
gonna play him like he's a 20-pounder.
We can't really count him until he's actually in the boat, though, so just... Look at that.
Look what I got!
Look at that. It is possible.
I got a fish, I got a fish.
It is possible.
Yay! He's a nice one too. Look how pretty he is.
For the record, it's supposed to be an 11-pounder.
Warm up.
Maybe it's a future 11-pounder.
Oh my gosh, it's in there good.
It's like you set the hook.
What a relief.
No skunk.
I love my fish.
Are you gonna kiss it?
I would almost kiss my fish. Thank you, fish. Oh.
All is right in the universe again.
You can feel all those rocks down there. Probably a good jig place.
Another one? Okay. Huh?
Fish, it's good. You can keep fishing.
It's documented. Turn on. Melissa's on fire. On fire.
Might be too deep.
You're saying he's not coming off?
Yoo-hoo! I got 2 fish. Thank you, buddy. Oh,
Good.
no. He's nothing special. He's smaller than the other ones. You go keep fishing. But he's a fish.
I wasn't sure what that was.
That was the, oh, it's a fish.
Looks like tomorrow, all I want to fish is riprap. Look out.
You get a fish? Oh, nice.
Oh, the white bass. Stop.
Pretty. Another one?
Little bitty one.
He's all, oh no. we've got to a point where Scott has me drive the boat on the trailer by myself. It's between either backing the car in or driving the boat on, and I think I'm better at driving the boat on, but the responsibility still makes me really nervous. So today was okay as far as fishing, but when you're down here, the reason we come to Guntersville is because we want a big bass, like a big bass. And so we got 7 or 8 keepers, and a keeper here for a largemouth is over 15, so we went with that rule. But I mean, there's just nothing really over 3 pounds. You know, you come down here, you want to be in that double-digit club. You want to get that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pound bass. So that's the fun of being down here, is that every cast could be like, you know, the bass of a lifetime. So that's what keeps us coming back down here. And unfortunately today we didn't get any of those big bass, but it was a cool day. Any day I get out here to try is just amazing, and I'm always really thankful that Scott invites me on these trips. We've been friends for a really long time, back from our professional foosball tour days. So it's great to have a buddy who wants to tow his boat to lakes like Guntersville, Chickamauga, Cumberland, Dale Hollow, and sometimes he invites me along. So thanks, Scott. I really appreciate it, and I hope that tomorrow is the day that we find some of those big Guntersville giants. All right, thanks you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll see you out on the lake on the next one.